So here's the 1970 Porsche 911 Targa long nose. This is purported to be the original engine still in the vehicle that wasn't yet stripped, same with the transmission. And we are now going to put our newly purchased 19mm spanner on there, and my glamorous assistant is going to turn the engine. And he's using one hand, he's weak as a kitten, so we believe that is turning.
You can hear the compression.
It's not the greatest of videos, but at least you know the engine turns. The car apparently drove in to the heated garage where it was stored, but that was circa 20 or 22 years ago, so at this stage it is irrelevant. But there she is, 2.2 litre, and she turns.